Hello everyone, this is Don Meditation, and in today's video I'm going to share about the new blender that I have, a new Nutribullet. It's called the Nutribullet Combo, and it's really good. It's a really good blender I have. I like the different settings on it, and it's a 1,000 watts. And it's really powerful. I already made a batch of it, but I just thought I'd share, and just give you my review on it. It's really powerful and it's really good. I recommend it for someone who wants to get a bigger blender, something like a Vitamix, but less expensive. The Nutribullet does pretty much the same thing. Is really good. Yeah, it does pretty much the same thing. So this is it. This is what it looks like without the blender. So you just put it on, and then you gotta click it, like, you gotta turn it. Let's see. You gotta wait till it kind of clicks. I'm trying to hold the. There we go. Alright. And then you can put it on, you turn it on. This is the button right here. Then I'm gonna do the low. Press it to turn it off. This is the pulse. This is just one of those. It just goes like that. And yeah, that's it. Strap. So it works really, really good, and it gets it really smooth. So look at that. That's really smooth. So if I was to pour it, look how smooth that is. Pour it in here. See that? That's like, it blended everything up. And I put a lot of stuff in there. I put strawberries, blueberries, mango, blueberries, strawberries, mango, frozen cherries, and they were frozen. With I put some kale, and I put all that in it. So we then blend it up really smooth, really smooth. Look. I'm gonna pour it back in. Look at that. So yeah. So that's it. That's your Nutribullet combo. Go get yours today. And whenever it costs, it only cost me $89 plus tax at Walmart. So that's how you turn it off. You just click off the button, and that's it. It's really cool. I like it. So it was a great investment, by Nutribullet. It's called the Nutribullet Combo. Okay? Oh, and also it comes with this cup. It comes with a cup too. Yeah, it comes with this little cup. Twist cap. Yeah, so it comes with this cup. So it's pretty cool. So yeah, this is the Nutribullet combo. I believe you can make soup out of this too. I'm not sure. I have to read the box, their instructions, but yeah, this is good. It's a big, nice size blender. For any big portions, big size. You can make a smoothie and maybe 2 or 3 servings. You can save it for later. You're good to go. All right, there you have it. Just my review on the Nutribullet combo. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Hope you're having a great day, and like always, peace, love, and positive vibrations.